here to another video. In today's video, I got something different for you guys. I want to go ahead and do a review of the new PENN Battle 3. So let's go ahead and get right into it, and I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and show you guys what it's all about. Let's go. Alright guys, so right off the bat here, you guys could see probably that the packaging has not changed at all pretty much. Same packaging that came in the older reels. Let's go ahead and take off the wrapper here and try to take a closer look at it so you guys could see more of the details here. As we take off the packaging here, we'll notice the color is pretty much the same as the other reels. Look, Mahi the Morky there. Curious to see what that was. One thing to note is that this is a full metal body reel. Very strong, very durable. PENN always makes some awesome, incredible gear. I've been using PENN for quite a long time, and I'm very satisfied with their products. Taking a look at the reel foot there, you can notice it's got a weird curvature, something a little bit different that I noticed. I don't know if it's going to be a little bit better to grab or something like that, but we'll see as we try this reel later on. Very smooth reel. As you could see, one thing I did notice a difference is the actual spool there. It's got a different design compared to the older models. This reel does feature the CNC gears technology, which is something that PENN includes in their reels, and it's also includes some carbon drag washers, making it a very strong and durable drag system. As you can see, a very strong and well put together reel here. Nothing less to expect from PENN Fishing. They make some incredible products. I've been using their reels for quite a few years now, and they perform incredibly. I use them both in saltwater and freshwater, and I have nothing but good things to say about them. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put this reel to the test, and hopefully we could land some nice fish on it. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little video of the new PENN Battle 3. This is definitely an awesome reel at a great price point, super affordable, and they hold up super awesome to the saltwater. I've had PENN Battles for a while now. I've been running them both in freshwater and saltwater, and they hold up great. Absolutely love them. So hope you guys enjoyed that little video and saw the differences that this reel has against its older model. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave it down in the comments below. Make sure to hit a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Go!